everyone, welcome to A Life in High Definition. Thank you for joining me or returning, whatever you are. Welcome if you're new. Join the club, hit that subscribe button. You know, it's good to get these things out of the way before we start the video. And of course, don't forget that notification bell because you'll never know when I'll upload. I've had a few days off because I wasn't feeling so good, and now I have a stack of things here next to me to film. Who knows what you're going to get first? It's a magical mystery drawer. That's why that notification bell is so important. But here we have, look, oh crikey, that's heavy. Lookfantastic. When you lift it in one hand, it's kind of on the large side. And this is their March edition. Lookfantastic is £15 a month, or if you get it on a longer subscription, it can be like £13 a month, I think is the cheapest. That includes P&P. Oh goodness, I'm going to have to put it down a bit. It's heavy. Hold it this way is better. Every month you get 6 items, and it's usually pretty good. So shall we just get into the video? I have to say I do like the packaging, so we've got this sort of pinky mauvey colour, and then we've got blue and mauve on the cover, and inside, what does it say? Every month it has a little saying, get ready to steal the spotlight. Ooh, I guess something in here is going to make us spotlight worthy. Every month you get a copy of Elle Magazine handbag size in your box, which is a great addition and worth about £4 on its own. £4.50 in fact. Already almost £5 for our box. They never put samples in here though. I always look for samples, there never is any. Sad. But anyway, moving on. Then we have the booklet, which tells us what is going to be in our box, and it also has other things. Let's have a look. We're welcoming in the month of March by bringing focus to some of our favourite beauty products. Sharing the spotlight this month are some incredible products that will cover you from head to toe. With some incredible skincare products, that's incredible twice, who are they, me? Repeating themselves, that will take centre stage in your makeup bag. This month is sure to be a showstopper. Oh, so there's some information about Morphe and how they started, and yeah. Some colour palettes for spring summer 2019. Diffused peach eye makeup, chrome foiled lipstick, ice cream toned pastel hair and makeup, okay, and colour block eye makeup. There you go, there's all the information. Here is our box. Oh, I can smell something really nice. Oh, it smells like really good moisturiser or cream or something. Oh, I know what it is. So that is what's inside our box. Love the purple colours, and I'm pretty sure that this is what I can smell because Ritual stuff is amazing. I love it so much. It just smells so good. Everything they make smells amazing. Even the shampoo I've recently tried because I got it in the advent calendar. My husband tried it, loved it. Went to their shop and they gave me Ritual's tea, which was really nice. Just like a little sample. It was at King's Cross and it was really nice. I was surprised. I didn't know Rituals did tea. They're like, yeah, we've been doing it for ages. Okay. This is the Ritual of Sakura. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. Soothing Hand Balm, Cherry Blossom and Rice Milk. And it looks like this. Now the last one that I had as a hand balm rather than hand lotion was more like a gel. Oh no, that is definitely a lotion. All of their stuff is so good. I don't think you can go wrong with Rituals. I got a small perfume thing from Rituals in the advent calendar as well. That smells gorgeous. Love it all. And you know I like hand moisturiser. Use this a lot. So happy to see this in my box. In Japan, the annual flowering of Sakura has been celebrated for centuries and symbolises the beauty of life. Make each day feel like a new beginning. Next up, let's do this one. This is an EOS lip balm. I recognise it because I've had one before. And EOS stands for Evolution of Smooth. So the one I've had before of these is the pink grapefruit with SPF 30, and it smells great, but it leaves that nasty aftertaste in your mouth. You know when you use a lip product and it's not even you lick your lips, it just kind of seeps in there somehow, and it just leaves that kind of not good aftertaste rather than a neutral or even a pleasant taste. So I'm hoping that this will not be the same because I do love a lip balm. I actually palmed that lip balm off to my husband because I didn't like it and he didn't like it either, but he was like, well, you gave it to me and I know it's posh, so I better use it, right? And I was like, oh bless you, no, you don't have to use it. Gave him another one which he much prefers. So let's hope that this isn't. This is, says visibly soft lip balm with blackberry nectar, immediately softer, more beautiful lips. So this is what it actually looks like. Kind of lilac, goes with the packaging of the box this month. Just clear. Oh, it does smell really good. I'm going to lick it. I know it's not normal to lick a lip balm, but I'm just testing it. I think it's okay. I'm not getting that aftertaste. Maybe it's something to do with the SPF. Who knows? Right, what have we got next? Let's do this. Well, I guess this is why they're talking about Morphe in the magazine, because we have a Morphe product. Have we had a Morphe product before? I don't think I have, actually, in any of the boxes. Is this a first? I think it's a first. If it's not, it's very unusual anyway. And this is a Morphe High Impact Highlighter. Ooh, it says blend the rules on the side. Don't think, oh, Spark is the name. And this is what it looks like in the packaging. But let's open it up, because everything's better when we glow. Haven't even got any on today, so I could pop this on actually. Highlight my bumpy skin again, why not? You all love seeing a bit of texture, don't you? Out of the box, it looks like this. Opening the lid. It's kind of like a pinky, yeah, pinky colour. A little rub. Ooh, that's shiny. It feels very soft and smooth as well. There we go. Reminds me of like silk satin sheets or something. Don't know why, that's very specific, isn't it? A little bit glittery, but not like horrible. That's nice. I like it. There's the shine. There's the not shine. There's the shine. That's nice. Yeah, that's really pretty. It's definitely okay on my skin tone. Maybe if you're darker, it might not work as well. I'm not sure. But I think most people would be okay, I would think, or if not, it'd be good to use as an inner corner highlight or an eyeshadow. It's nice to have a multi-use product. I feel like most highlighters and some eyeshadows are interchangeable. Do you agree? Let me know. Achieve luminous skin with this prismatic highlighter. With an innovative formula, this weightless highlighter delivers high shine in a perfect golden hue. This highlighter is essential for making the complexion appear radiant and glowy. The editor's tip is to use it as an eyeshadow. You see, I'm on point. Next up is this from Mádara. Couldn't read that. From Mádara Organic Skincare, and it's smart, or at least we hope it's smart. It's anti-pollution charcoal and mud repair mask. Targets signs of aging and detoxes. Good. We don't like pollution. We don't like aging, or at least to look older. And we always like to detox our skin. It's good. Give your skin a pollution aging antidote with this unique double action treatment featuring antioxidant-rich black northern mud and charcoal. Apply to clean skin. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes for 2 to 3 times a week. So if you live up north and put northern mud on your face, do you think this would work instead of this? It's an idea. Although the box is a decent size, this feels very light. Not so impressed with this. I mean, did we really need that much box for this little bottle? Just checking on the website for a bit more information. It says dull complexion, congested skin, clogged pores, need recovery. This is what you want. Removes impurities and pollution buildup, delivers a super dose of age-correcting vitamin A, skin-perfecting vitamin B3, niacin, and 17 amino acids and essential minerals that work to reduce the first signs of aging and recharge the skin with energy and glow. So that sounds quite good, actually. I guess this will be enough for 1 or 2 masks, and hopefully it'll be enough to see if it's any good. But you know me, bigger is better. Yeah, that is in most things. Right, should we move on? Now this fancy thing, this is from Omorovicza? Can't say it, still can't say it. And it's their cleansing foam. And this is probably really nice. Everything I've had from this brand I've liked. It's just quite expensive. So Lookfantastic say remove makeup and impurities without stripping the skin with this gentle foaming cleanser devoid of harmful sulfates. A pearl size amount is all you need, apparently. Just having a little look online as well. This features Mineral Cosmetology, a patented mineral delivery system to leave skin firmer, more supple and younger looking. This baby blue coloured foam provides long-lasting hydration and restores suppleness. Okay. I feel like now I've seen that it's blue, I need to open it. The copper gluconate detoxifies, regulates sebum production and has an astringent effect to tighten pores. White lupin extract energises and revitalises skin. Apple pectin provides long-lasting hydration and improves suppleness. And their patented healing concentrate delivery system leaves skin firmer, more supple and younger looking. This is getting fancier by the second. Oh, because it said a cleansing foam, I thought it was going to be thick, but look. I don't want to waste any. First, what came out was liquid. Maybe it just needed shaking up. But can you see? It's very slightly blue and it kind of melts in kind of an oily way. See how my finger's gone white? There it is, foaming up. It smells really nice. Looking forward to giving that a proper try. Last item, we are there already. This is what it is, and this I think is the heaviest thing in the box. Maybe this is what's making it heavy overall. This is from The Ordinary, and this is the first time we've had something from The Ordinary in beauty boxes, I believe. At least that's what I've heard around. It's definitely my first time of having something from The Ordinary, so I'm quite excited. I like the idea of them because from what I've seen and heard, their foundations are really good and their products are all reasonably priced. Like this is full size and fancy enough. It's got cool things in it and it's only £5.90 for this bottle. So that is a reasonable way to get nice skincare. It's a hydration support formula with ultra pure vegan hyaluronic acid. Apply a few drops to face night and day before creams. It's fragrance free, supports hydration and repair. I'm going to have to see a bit more about this. Lookfantastic say, treat your complexion to a moisture boost with this intensely hydrating serum. Packed full of hyaluronic acid to deliver long-lasting moisture, this serum acts as a hydration support formula to leave skin smooth, plump and youthful looking. Store in the fridge for a refreshing boost upon application. Just on The Ordinary's website, and there is a lot of information. I just have to say about this packaging, actually, while I'm holding, it's got kind of an almost rubbery texture. Feels really nice. It's like, it makes me want to grab it and stroke it. Do I need alone time with my packaging? Maybe. And this is what it looks like inside. So we've got the classic dropper bottle, frosted white glass, and then the quite plain liquid. It's kind of thick in the bottle. Ooh, it's kind of oozy. Let me see if I can show you. Can you see that? Can you see it like kind of had a little dribble? I mean, it is liquid, but it's kind of like slight gel consistency to it. Yeah, it definitely doesn't feel like a completely runny one. It spreads out very well, goes a long way, which is what I like. So there's a lot of information here. Let me tell you these things. It's alcohol, oil, silicone, nut free, and gluten free and cruelty free and vegan, which is awesome. Hyaluronic acid can attract up to 1,000 times its weight in water. The molecular size of hyaluronic acid determines its depth of delivery in the skin. This formulation combines low, medium and high molecular weight HA as well as next generation HA cross polymer at a combined concentration of 2% for multi-depth hydration. So it will get to all your skin layers, I guess is what they're saying. It's supported with the addition of vitamin B5, which also enhances surface hydration. A more advanced HA formulation with 15 forms of HA. Hyaluronic acid is found in the skin naturally, but its natural function within the skin is not hydration. Many products have used HA to claim hydration benefits, but HA is too large of a molecule to penetrate the skin and instead sits on the surface and can draw moisture out of the skin, making the surface feel soft and hydrated temporarily, while making you feel like you need more hyaluronic acid after the product is rinsed. This formula uses 3 forms of hyaluronic acid with varying molecular weights, as well as the polymer, to offer multi-depth hydration and visible plumping without drawing water out of the skin, solely to improve temporary surface hydration. Oh, that's interesting. So I know that seems like a lot of information, but it is very interesting to know that this product has different types of hyaluronic acid. I didn't even know there was such a thing as different types and that you needed it to penetrate the skin in different ways. So this will actually work, is what they're saying, compared to other products that just make you think it's worked by drawing out water from your body when you need the water in your body and plumping your skin, rather than drawing it to the surface just to make it look plump. It's like water-filled chickens, you know what I mean? Where they fill the chicken breast or whatever with extra water to make it look more plump and delicious, but when you cook it, it shrinks a lot because so much of it was water. This is actually really interesting, and I'm glad to have this product and that I looked it up to find that out, because not all hyaluronic acid is created equal, it seems. There we go. So that is the end of our box. Lookfantastic for March is done. And the total value of this month's box is £44.15. That's not bad for a £15 box. We've got 3 times, well, including the magazine as well, 3 times the box cost for our value. I like it. And as for the products, I'm happy with all of them. I would like that smart thing to be bigger, but you know, I am just being greedy really. It's nice to have a touch of what I call a luxury product. That this month is sure to be a showstopper. Incredible products that will cover you from head to toe. Well, I'm not quite sure they meet that, because we've got a highlighter, a skin cleanser, a skin serum, something for your hands, and another face mask for your skin, and a lip balm. So it's basically here and some hands. That's not head to toe. That is not head to toe. I think that you need to rethink your statements, Lookfantastic. However, I do like everything. I can use everything. I'm really glad that EOS lip balm is not the same as the other one. Hopefully when I apply it to my lips, it really won't be like the other one, because maybe licking it is not the way to go. I don't know. What do you think? Lick your balls or not lick your balls? That is the question. I can't believe I said that with a straight face. And of course, the Rituals cream. But if you are sick of getting hand creams, you may not be as excited as I am. But as I use hand cream so many times throughout the day, I am happy. I like that. I think that's a pretty good box. I'm pleased with the value. I'm pleased with the items. I don't think it meets the criteria that it states at the beginning, but I don't care because I like what's inside. There we go. So thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope it was helpful, and look forward to April and see what Lookfantastic will bring us then. Till I see you next time, I hope you take care of yourselves and find something positive in every day. Bye guys.